Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate average standard deviation, relative standard deviation and percent relative standard deviation or coefficient of variation. So the first column contains four values and these are the masses of an object measured by a two-digit balance. So first of all, we need to calculate the average. So to calculate the average, you write equal and type the code average and then parentheses and then you take or you select these numbers and you close the parentheses and hit enter. This is the average mass. Mass and the average mass have the same unit, gram. Next, we calculate the standard deviation. And for that, we use equal and then type STDEV.S and parentheses. And again, select these four values and close the parentheses and hit enter. You get the standard deviation, and standard deviation has the same unit. So now I want to remind you that do not use STDEV.P here. This code is for population and R is sample. So next we calculate relative standard deviation. Relative standard deviation is the standard deviation. This is our standard deviation and this is our average. And relative standard deviation is standard deviation divided by the average value. So it doesn't have unit. Gram cancels. So 0.036 is the relative standard deviation. And finally, we calculate percent relative standard deviation, which is also known as coefficient of variation. What we do is 0.036 times 100. This is percent relative standard deviation. Thank you for watching my video.